Imagine waking up every day without the need to work, traveling, pursuing your passions, or simply enjoying life on your terms. For many, early retirement is a dream, but it's also a realistic goal with the right strategy. While planning to retire early may sound like a far-off fantasy, it's actually possible for most people, with hard work, smart saving, and disciplined investing. Want to know how? Let's break down the steps that could help you achieve the freedom to retire sooner than you think. Step 1. Understand your current financial situation. Before you can make a plan for early retirement, it's important to know where you currently stand financially. You can't move forward without understanding where you are right now. To help you understand your financial situation, ask yourself these questions. 1. What is my total yearly income? 2. How much money do I have saved? 3. Do I have an emergency fund? And if so, how much is in it? 4. How much debt do I need to pay off? 5. What can I do to lower my living expenses while still maintaining a comfortable lifestyle? Once you have answers to these questions, you'll have a clear picture of your finances. This will help you figure out what steps you need to take to retire early. Step 2. Define what retirement means to you. The first step in planning for early retirement is deciding what retirement looks like for you. Everyone has a different idea of what retirement should be. For some, it might mean working only a little bit, maybe taking on a part-time job or working on a project they're passionate about. For others, it might mean completely stepping away from work and enjoying a life without any obligations. Before you can start making financial plans, it's important to define what your version of retirement looks like. This decision will guide all your future choices. It will also shape the way you think about money, as you'll need to figure out how much to save and how to budget to meet your goals. For example, if you see retirement as just a time to work less, you'll still need to plan for some income during those years, even if it's less than what you're earning now. But if you want your retirement to be all about relaxing, spending time with family, and not working at all, you'll need to save more money to cover your expenses without a job. Understanding your retirement vision is the first step to making it a reality. Step 3. Save as much as you can. When it comes to saving for retirement, the sooner you start, the better. However, many of us tend to save only what feels comfortable, even though we could save more. For example, you might save 10% of your income every month, even though you could easily manage to save 20%. If you want to retire early, you need to make the choice to save as much as you can. Early retirees are willing to sacrifice comfort now by saving the maximum they can afford. This is the key to building enough wealth to live the retirement lifestyle you dream about. The more you save, the sooner you can retire. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful and want more content like this, comment more below. Let's keep going. Step 4. Plan for your health. When thinking about early retirement, most people focus on money, travel, and activities they want to enjoy. However, one of the most important aspects to plan for is your health. If you're not careful, health issues could derail your retirement plans. This is why it's essential to include health planning in your strategy. One smart move is to set up a health emergency fund. This special account is designed to cover unexpected medical expenses, helping protect your retirement savings if health problems arise. Another important part of health planning is making good choices now to stay healthy in the future. The acronym EAR, Exercise, Always Eat Healthy, and Rest When Needed, can help you maintain good health. By following these simple habits, you can reduce the risk of health issues later in life. In addition to these lifestyle choices, it's also a good idea to have health insurance in place. When you retire early, you'll lose access to your employer's health insurance, so having a plan for coverage is crucial. Planning for your health now ensures that you'll be ready for whatever comes your way during retirement. Step 5. Sign up for your employer's retirement savings plan. You might not realize it, but your employer probably offers a retirement savings plan, like a 401k, that can help you save for the future. Signing up for this plan is easy and can be a great way to start building your retirement savings. While it's true that this retirement plan alone won't be enough to help you retire early, it's still a valuable tool. These plans are typically designed for people who want to retire at an older age since the savings grow over time. Even though it might not be the solution for early retirement, you're still gaining a benefit by contributing. So instead of ignoring the plan or thinking it won't make a big difference, ask yourself, what's the harm in signing up? The answer is nothing. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Take advantage of this opportunity and start saving now. Step 6. Plan your housing for early retirement. If you're aiming for early retirement, it's important to start thinking about where you'll live. By now, you should already have a plan for your future home. If you haven't thought about it yet, it's time to start planning. For many people, planning for retirement housing means paying off the mortgage on their current home. This is a common goal, as it reduces expenses when you stop working. Others might need to make repairs or updates to their home to make it more comfortable for retirement. Some people may even want to move to a new city or country they've always dreamed of living in. Whatever your housing plans are, it's crucial to start thinking about them now. This will help you avoid surprises later on and ensure that your living situation supports your early retirement goals. Step 7. Make lifestyle changes. If you truly want to retire early, you'll need to make some changes to your lifestyle. Retiring early isn't easy. It takes hard work, discipline, and sacrifices. If you're not ready to put in that effort, your dream of early retirement may stay just that, a dream. Making a lifestyle change often means cutting back on certain things and saving more money. For example, if you usually spend $10,000 on a big family vacation, consider reducing that amount by half and putting the extra $5,000 into your savings. This would mean choosing a less expensive vacation, but in the long run, you'll have more money saved for your retirement. It's all about making smart choices now to enjoy more financial freedom in the future. Step 8. Realize you won't retire. Just from a salary job, no matter how much money you make from your job, relying solely on a salary isn't enough to retire early. If your goal is to retire sooner than usual, you'll need to take additional steps beyond just working for a paycheck. To make early retirement a reality, you might have to push yourself further. This could mean starting a side business or making smart investments in things like real estate, assets that can grow your wealth and generate income outside of your regular job. Relying only on your salary won't get you to early retirement. You need to look for opportunities to build additional sources of income that can help you retire sooner. Step 9. Get serious about managing your money. If you want to retire early, you can't keep spending money the way you have been. It's essential to start making smarter money decisions today. For example, if you're spending a lot on things like clothing, gadgets, or eating out regularly, it's time to reconsider those habits. You might think, it's just a few $100s here and there. It doesn't really matter. But it does matter. These small expenses add up over time and can have a big impact on your ability to save for retirement. If you don't make these changes now, you'll only have yourself to blame later when it's harder to reach your retirement goals. To retire early, you need to be disciplined about how you spend and save. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses today will help you build the financial foundation you need for the future. Step 10. Invest in your financial knowledge. Achieving early retirement may seem like a far-off dream, but with the right financial knowledge, it's completely possible. One thing that all successful retirees have in common is a solid understanding of money. To retire early, you'll need to build your own financial knowledge. Take the time to learn about important topics like investing, saving, taxes, insurance, and how businesses work. It's also helpful to understand the different aspects of retirement and what you need to plan for. Don't shy away from learning about finance. It's a skill that will help you make smarter decisions and get closer to your goal of retiring early. Step 11. Prioritize your future over your present situation. If you want to retire early, you have to focus on your future instead of being comfortable in the present. This means making decisions now that may not be easy, but will help you reach your goal later. For example, one blogger shared their experience of making tough choices to increase their savings. They switched jobs several times to earn a higher salary, adding $20,000 to their income. They also moved to a different state, which lowered their living costs by almost half while improving their quality of life. These decisions weren't easy. Changing jobs and moving can be stressful and challenging. But because the blogger was determined to retire early, they were willing to face those difficulties in the short term for a better future. This shows that sometimes sacrifices today can lead to big rewards later on. Step 12. Set your retirement savings goal. Earlier, we talked about how important it is to define what retirement looks like for you, but there's something even more crucial: setting a clear target for how much money you need to retire. Grant Sabat, an early retiree who became a millionaire, suggests that your goal should be to save 25 to 30 times your expected yearly expenses. For example, if you plan to spend $40,000 a year in retirement, your target savings should be between $1 million and $1.2 million. This amount can be in your savings or investment accounts. Grant also recommends keeping at least 1 year's worth of living expenses in cash. This gives you a cushion for emergencies or unexpected costs. If you're not sure how to calculate this amount, don't worry. Financial advisors and planners can help guide you in reaching your target number. Step 13. Build a business. When it comes to building wealth, do you think of it just as saving money or investing in the stock market? Or do you see it as running a business? The most successful people, like millionaires, often treat investing and saving as a business. This mindset is what sets them apart. Instead of simply putting money into an investment and hoping it grows, you need to actively manage and improve your investments, just like you would manage a business. This means regularly reviewing your portfolio, looking for ways to make it better, and staying open to new investment opportunities. But building wealth doesn't stop at investing. You can also create a business that generates income for you, even while you're retired. This could be something that allows you to earn money passively, like creating a product, offering a service, or building an online business. Having a business that works for you is a great way to support your early retirement. Step 14. Learn about risk management. When you're planning for early retirement and building wealth, you're likely investing your money in various assets like stocks, real estate, or other investment options. But keep in mind, all investments come with risks. If you don't learn how to manage these risks, you could end up losing everything you've worked so hard to build. To protect yourself, there are strategies you can use. One common approach is called portfolio diversification, which means spreading your investments across different assets, industries, or types of investments. This reduces the chance of losing everything if one investment doesn't perform well. Also, choosing assets carefully and researching them before investing is important. However, it's crucial to remember that investing only in safe options, like low-risk bonds, might not give you the returns you need for early retirement. Taking some calculated risks, like investing in higher-risk stocks or starting a business, can offer bigger rewards. It's this willingness to take smart risks that separates those who truly succeed from those who play it safe. So, while it's important to manage your risks, don't be afraid to take them where necessary. Step 15. Create a solid plan. By now, you've already defined what retirement means to you. Set a target number for your retirement savings and put together your investment portfolio, savings plan, health insurance, and emergency fund. Now it's time to take all of these pieces and create a clear, detailed plan that shows exactly what you need to do from now until the day you retire. At this point, it's a good idea to talk to a professional financial advisor. They can review your plan and help you make sure everything is set up correctly, giving you added confidence that your plan will work out. Step 16. Automate your savings and investments. To make saving and investing easier, set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. By automating the process, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved before you even get a chance to spend it. This strategy helps you stay disciplined and avoids the temptation to skip saving, especially on months when finances are tight. Whether it's contributing to your 401k, an IRA, or setting up a direct deposit into an emergency fund, automation makes saving effortless. Over time, these consistent contributions will add up, bringing you closer to your early retirement goal. Step 17. Consider alternative investment opportunities. As you build wealth for early retirement, consider exploring alternative investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Real estate, peer-to-peer lending, or investing in small businesses can offer higher returns and diversify your portfolio. While these options come with their own set of risks, they also have the potential for significant rewards. Do your research and assess whether these alternatives fit your financial goals and risk tolerance. Expanding your investment horizons will help you grow your wealth faster and bring your retirement dreams within reach. Step 18. Stay flexible and adjust your plan. While planning for early retirement, it's essential to stay flexible. Life doesn't always go according to plan, and unexpected changes, like a job loss, health issues, or market downturns, can impact your retirement timeline. By regularly reviewing your financial situation and adjusting your strategy when needed, you can stay on track. If you find that you're not reaching your savings goals as quickly as planned, consider finding ways to cut back on expenses or increase your income. Staying adaptable and proactive will ensure that you're always moving closer to your retirement dream, no matter what life throws your way. Bonus tip: enjoy the present. As you focus on your early retirement goals, it's easy to get so caught up in planning for the future that you forget to enjoy the present. Remember, life is happening now, and it's important to take a step back and appreciate what you have today. While you're working toward your dream retirement, make sure you're also making memories and living in the moment. When you do retire, those present moments will be the ones you'll look back on fondly. If you have any steps or thoughts on early retirement, feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video, click the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and subscribe for more content.